Create shared family account by importing CSV file. This client import method is especially helpful when your spreadsheet contains all contact details in a single row, like in the example shown here. In this case, I have columns for both the primary taxpayer and their spouse. If your spreadsheet is structured similarly, be sure to name your columns clearly so you can easily tell which ones belong to which contact. Once your spreadsheet is ready, you'll need to import it twice. The first time, proceed with a standard import. Map all the account fields, then continue through the setup process. When you reach the contact mapping step, only map the fields related to the primary taxpayer and skip the spouse or other contact columns. Start the import and then repeat the import process. Now, re-import the same spreadsheet. This time, you don't need to map all the account fields again, just map the account name field. In the contact mapping step, only map the fields related to the second contact, such as spouse or employee. Start the import and let it finish. Once complete, open one of the imported accounts and head to the Info tab. You'll see that both contacts are now linked to the account.